Welcome back, everybody. This is Matt Stone, your realtor here in Utah. And today I'm going to be looking at the Stonehaven model from Woodside Homes here in American Fork. Now, this particular model starts just under $515,000 and it's got just under 2,200 square feet. Now, the one that we're looking at today has 3 bedrooms, but you can get them up to 5 bedrooms as well. This one comes with 2.5 bathrooms, but you can have as many as 4 bathrooms in this particular model. Now, I'm very excited to show you this house because of where we are in American Fork. We're down here by the lake, so we've got incredible views all the way around, as well as the lake right behind you. And this is a real up-and-coming area. Lots of new homes, lots of new amenities, lots of stores and restaurants and shops and things like that. And we anticipate that the property values are just going to go up and up from here. Now, the real reason I want to show you this particular one is because I think you get a lot of bang for your buck in this particular house. The floor plan is great, the flow is great, and just the way the house is built really screams quality. So why don't we go on inside and take a look. Well, there you go, the Stonehaven model from Woodside Homes in American Fork. I'd love to hear what you think about it down in the comments, or you can reach out to me by phone or text. And if you'd like more information about this model or would like to see it in person or any of the other ones that they have available, please reach out to me. I would love to set that up and make sure you have all the information you need.